Here on the east side of Crystal Lake Central, we're working on the new bus turnaround. In the past, all of our buses have not been able to stage and pick up our students and drop off our students in one location. We've had to set buses on the corner and wait for them to queue in. That caused some traffic congestion. Behind us, the excavator is getting ready to dig down and create our underground storage detention for stormwater. Today he's going to be digging down about 6 feet. We're going to haul out the old soils and materials, and we'll be bringing in large rock to create void for that water. And in a couple days we're going to add the storm trap on top to control that water so it can be slowly released during storm events and responsibly entered into our state's waterways.